Hello guys and welcome to GossTech. In this course you will learn the basics of the Filmora software. Wondershare Filmora is a simple video editor that empowers you to edit video and audio on Windows and Mac. This software is easy and good to use when doing simple video editing. To start the software, you just click the software icon and it goes a little bit time to open and load up depending on your PC performance. While it's opening, you will see this pop-up message. The software should open like this, telling you what you want to do. Here you can start new project or open a saved project before. And down you will see your saved projects. Here you can change your video ratio. How you want to work with, we will let with default resolution. Click New Project. Once it open up, you will see the media folder here, your working video here, and the timeline down. On the top left corner, you will see these icons here. Media is for your working files. Stock media, you will find here stock videos. Audio, you will find here stock audios. Titles, here you can see many titles you want. Transitions, you will see all transitions you can use for videos. Effects, you will see all effects for your videos. Stickers, here you can see many stickers. And templates, you can see all finished templates you can use, like intros and outros. Let's see some of those like sample. This you can use for quizzes. Those are stock videos you can use for your videos. When we drag any media to the timeline down, you will see this message telling you what resolution of the video you want. You can choose Match to Media or Keep Project Settings. We would click to Keep Project Settings. After that, we see that the media is on the timeline. We can add and music. When you click on those, you can see that little loading icon. It says that the stock media is downloading. And here how it looks. When the work is final, you can export the video and you will see this message. How you want to be exported, which we will explain it later. When we want to add video, photo, or audio, we click on the media icon, and you can choose what you want to add. We would add a photo. You can manually resize it how you want. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and learn always something new every day.